Have you ever wondered how Netflix loads instantly but your school website takes forever? Same internet, same phone, different speed. Today we are breaking the secret of the fast internet illusion powered by AWS CloudFront. Let us imagine a guy, Arjun, who lives in Delhi. He opens a website that's hosted in New York. His request travels from Delhi to Dubai to Europe to US and then returns back with the data. That is literally asking your neighbor for sugar, but sending your request to another continent first. Tell me in the comments, have you ever closed a website because it loaded too slowly? Just type yes, I want to know. This delay is called latency, the villain of fast internet. And latency doesn't care whether you are rich, broke, gamer, developer, or content creator. It slows everyone down equally. So Amazon thought, why not store tiny little copies of websites everywhere so everyone gets fast access? And boom, AWS CloudFront was born. CloudFront is like a superhero with hundreds of secret hideouts called edge locations spread globally. Whenever Arjun hits a website now, he gets the data from the nearest hideout, not from the New York. That is why some apps feel magically fast. Let us visualize it. Think of CloudFront like a Swiggy of the internet. Instead of sending your biryani from Hyderabad to Delhi, Swiggy delivers it from the nearest restaurant. CloudFront caches, delivers, and keeps everything close. But what if the data is new? Suppose Arjun wants a dish that the local branch doesn't have. The edge location then contacts the origin server, fetches it, and stores a fresh copy there. So next time it is instant. The more people request something, the closer and faster it becomes. Makes sense, right? Drop yes in the comment section if you agree with me. Let's take it more like I said. This is the also does security. CloudFront is not just CloudFront means CloudFront means proven cache, fast delivery, secure content, less load on origin